Skip the meat substitutes and make creamy Swedish meatballs with whole mushrooms. Combine vegan yogurt, oil, and Worcestershire sauce, salt, spices, and rice flour. Mix until you have a thick, pasty mixture. Then add your mushrooms, coating them really well. Spread the mushrooms into a single layer on your baking pan and bake until they're totally tender. Meanwhile, melt vegan butter and add flour, cooking until it's bubbly. Add mushroom stock a little bit at a time. Then add vegan Worcestershire, Dijon mustard, salt, and herbs. Mix that in and then add cashew milk and a little bit of the leftover marinade. Boil the sauce until it's thick and creamy, and then it's time to add in those crispy, tender mushroom meatballs. Enjoy these creamy, dairy-free Swedish meatballs over your favorite pasta.